If you need to resize text in Figma quickly and accurately, this tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're designing a website, a social media graphic, or a user interface, knowing how to change text size in Figma is one of the most useful basics to learn. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and click the text layer that you want to resize. You need to make sure the text object is selected because the font size controls will only appear when a text layer is active. Once the text is selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where Figma keeps all of your text settings in the text panel. In this panel, you'll see options for font, weight, line height, spacing, and of course, font size. Now locate the font size input box. This is the field that controls how large or small your text appears on the canvas. Click inside that box and type in your desired size. For example, if you want the text to be larger and more prominent, you could enter 24. If you want it smaller and more subtle, you could type in a lower number instead. As soon as you enter the new value, Figma will update the text size immediately so you can see the change in real time. If it looks too big or too small, simply click the font size box again and adjust the number until it feels right for your design. This is a great way to fine-tune headings, body text, button labels, or any other text element in your layout. And if you're working on a full design system, keeping your font sizes consistent can help your project look much more professional and polished. The best part is that once you understand this one simple step, resizing text in Figma becomes second nature. Just select the text layer, go to the text panel, find the font size box, and type in the size you want. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.